I like to use it as soap. I looked it up and it indicates a severe engine misfire, but we did it. I'm gonna try to twist it. What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing some brake rotors and pads on the new LS. It's gonna be my first time ever changing pads and rotors, so let's see how it goes. New tool set. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. So the car is all jacked up. Put some tires behind this just for extra safety. I need like proper wheel stopper things. So I'm gonna be doing 2 wheels and my boyfriend's gonna do the other 2. I'm gonna watch him do the first one and then get to work on the ones that I'm doing, and let's see how it goes. Alrighty. My current issue is this little wire piece that goes in between the 2 pins. I got the bottom one off, but I have to push it straight down. Like the way to exit the pin is under it, like pushing it down, and then the actual brake components are blocking me from being able to get it out. So I'm gonna try to twist it so that the hole is not facing the obstacle and it could just come right out. So let's see. So I just twisted it using these pliers and I should be able to take it right out. Yup. This freaking piece took me like 20 minutes. But we did it. So right now this is what I'm trying to take out. This pin here. I'm gonna put the screw in the back and I'm just hammering. Another 20 minutes just to take off 1 pin. First pin off, the second pin should be easier. Yeah, this one literally should just slide out. Yeah, there we go. Pins clip off. Now, let's see if these pads, yeah, these pads aren't coming out. So, these pads are really rusted in there. So I think we're just gonna take off the caliper and it'll be easier to get the pads out. Now I'm gonna be trying to take out this one. I'm gonna take out and that one. So let's see, I'm gonna have to remove this brake line. Brake line off. Socket I was using was too long, so I had to re-tighten it to get it back out because it got stuck. So we're gonna use this shorter 17. That's good. Fuck this bolt. Pop that. Heavy, rusty, gross. Goodbye to these. Going to align it. Put it in. Hold on, I'm getting it in. Bruh, stay in in there. You're not gonna fall out, alright?
No, I think it's gonna fall out.
No. Yeah. So I got the compressor in and tightened it. I'm gonna now take the compressor out and get the caliper back on. Oh shit, okay. Compression done. Alright, it's time to put everything back on. Okay. There we go. I need the big. Oh no, it should be fine. I'm tightening it. Okay. I'm putting the sensor back in on the brake. The wire is going in now. There we go. All done. Just finished this one. He finished the other one and finished the oil change just now. So it's already getting pretty dark. So we're gonna do the back two tomorrow. I'm gonna do this passenger rear one and he's gonna do the other side tomorrow. And yeah, Monday we'll have the brake booster, bleed the brakes, and we should be able to drive her anywhere we want, anytime we want. So fingers crossed. Update on the Lexus. My boyfriend and his friend did the timing on the LS the other day. I was at work, so I wasn't able to be a part of that, but it went smoothly. The only thing they haven't done yet is bleed the coolant. They were able to get about 1 of 3 quarts of coolant in. It took over an hour just for that 1 bottle of coolant to go down. So I'm gonna check it out now. I'm gonna finish bleeding the coolant and we're gonna go take her on a drive. I just figured out that this is how to tell if the valve is open. This should be more upright, kind of higher up, and that should signal that the valve did open. While they did engage the heater core, it seems like the valve did not open when they did so. Let's get the coolant inside the thingy bobber. Who needs gloves? I love coolant.
It's good.
I like to use it as soap. I'm putting some coolant in it first so that my engine doesn't go boom when I start it. Now we start the car. Oh yeah. So online it says to put 3 gallons. We got through about 2.7, I want to say. No more coolant is going down. We've given it a good amount of time, so push that in. How amazing is that? Drives amazing, super quiet, everything checks out. Sadly, there's not many local skate shops in my area, so zoomies it is. So they used to have like almost like half of this wall of like car t-shirts, and now I'm pretty sure, or I don't even see any. It's literally just like this rack. So really hoping that they have a black helmet because I have a white one and it's kind of small on my head. My head's kind of big. I usually buy AAA stuff, but honestly, whatever's cheaper. I have my favorite trucks. They're called Thunder trucks and they are purple. Oh my god, I kind of want them, but I don't need them. So next time I do need them, I'll probably get these purple ones. So nice. I've never seen them in other colors like this from Thunder. Tried the 888 one because the other one had designs I didn't really like that much. Big old head. This one fits nice.
That looks better.
Yeah? Yeah, this is the one. And it's on sale. Let's go. Ow! Ew. Look at this board. I love this. Alright. I have a pretty put together new board still, so don't need a new one just yet. After leaving the mall, the check engine light comes on and starts flashing. And I looked it up and it indicates a severe engine misfire. We did know that the distributor cap is bad. They put it back together. They thought it would work for now, but clearly it's not. We have one on the way already, so hopefully we replace that and that problem goes away because it wasn't having that issue before the timing, so we'll see.